Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abrupt. 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 Abrupt is an adjective that describes something that is sudden, unexpected, or characterized by a sharp change or interruption without warning. It's used to indicate an unexpected or jarring shift in behavior, action, or circumstances. Here are some examples. Example number 1, his abrupt departure from the meeting surprised everyone. Why this use in example number 1? In this example, abrupt is used to describe the sudden and unexpected nature of the person's departure, emphasizing that it took everyone by surprise. Example number 2, her abrupt response left him feeling confused and hurt. Why this use in example number 2? Abrupt is used to characterize the response as sudden and unanticipated, which had an emotional impact on the person. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.